Hi guys, welcome to our channel. For today's episode, I will show you how to turn off password or passcode in iPhone or in App Store. Let's begin. So your App Store, guys, is pretty much hinged to your Apple ID or, to whatever setup that you have on your Apple ID or any payment method or even the passcode that's linked to it or hinge that's pretty much connected to your App Store. So I'll show you two ways on how to disable or turn it off. So say, for example, you go to media and purchases, and then it would give you this option to choose password settings, okay? So for password settings, there's an option for you to not require a password for free downloads. All you need to do is just toggle that or tap or just click on it, and then it will disable the system to ask for a password. And then you could also choose when purchasing. There's like way for you to if you would want to require after 15 minutes, or you would always require a password with purchasing. So say if I want require after 15 minutes, then you're done. So there's also another option for you to turn off the password, guys. You go to Face ID. So from your settings, and you look for Face ID and passcode, okay? So once you're in, um, you look for the one here that says turn passcode off in blue. Okay. So when you do that, it would give you this option um, to just reconfirm if you really want to turn it off. Because if you want to do this, it says here, your Apple Watch will not automatically unlock. You will not be able to use this passcode to reset your Apple ID password if you forget it. So I just want to make sure that I'm not going to mess up with my phone. So I just have to cancel. But if you just want to turn off your passcode, this is the way how it's done. Okay? So I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.